Quick Forex daily analysis. Let me show you an update of the charts for today. I'm going to whiz through this in 5 minutes. The last video was 40 minutes. I hope you even watched it. If you didn't watch it, then I'm wasting my time on a daily. Here's the last daily support. Here's your daily resistance that falls on a weekly time frame on the DXY. We start on the DXY. I always start on the DXY. You see these drawings that I've shown, that I've drawn for you. These were the last weekly daily Forex review, which I did on Sunday. So make sure you watch that video. Our price is approaching here. I said there's two ways that I could go. Could either approach resistance and reject it and go back down, or could breach it, make a high low and go up. And you'll see that it's done exactly that. It's done exactly that. It's breached it, it's made a high low, and it's gone up. That's how accurate your support analysis. Support and resistance can be using support and resistance levels. So if I go onto the H4 time frame, it's approaching a H4 resistance potentially, but I know it's definitely resistance there because it's a daily and weekly resistance. So we'll see what happens when it approaches this tomorrow. Today I expect it to slightly retrace back. It could go to this level here, which is a H4 high low. There's another H4 high low here as well. So we'll see how it goes. So I'll just mark this, and here you go. So these are your H4 levels on your DXY. As you can see, DXY is approaching the resistance level. I expect it to reject it either today, later on today, or even tomorrow. It will go to this level here. If we go to the next pair, which is EURUSD, if we look at the weekly, it's breached the weekly support. It's going back, potentially going to this level here. So let's mark a level right there. Go to the daily time frame. It's breached the daily support. Let me just make this large break there. It's at a daily support level now. Here's your last daily resistance. And obviously this one here. Go to the H4 time frame. This is your H4 support. That's H4 resistance. That's fine. That's fine. H1 time frame. Get the Fibonacci retracement tool out. The previous day, get it from the high of the day to the low. High of the day to the low. Here's your Fibonacci levels for today. I haven't had time to trade today, so I'm doing this at what, 2:30, 3 o'clock UK time. So as you can see, London session is pretty much already about to close soon, so I'm not taking any trades. I'm just showing you how to update the charts on a daily basis. If you go into EURJPY, you can see on the daily time frame it is looking to make a higher low. It looks to be going back up. Go to the H4 time frame, you can see it's at H4 resistance. If we update, this is your H4 resistance as so. You've also got H4 resistance here as well. Sorry, this is H4 support here. This is H4 resistance. If you go to an EJ on a H1 time frame, get from the low of the day to the high of the previous day, which would be from here to there. These are intraday trading levels. If the level comes to the level or on relatively close to it, I'll enter a buy or a sell trade as so. So you can see here was a good time to buy, 5 o'clock in the morning. London session opened 8 o'clock. That was an excellent buy trade. Let's say if I did enter at 8 o'clock in the morning today on this candlestick, this would be the trade. Risking 22 pips to win 97. Risk to reward ratio of 4.25. If we go to USDCAD, same thing. Daily is approaching a daily resistance. I wouldn't be buying it today. As you can see, it's too close to the resistance. Why are you buying when you know it's going to go back down? So today, we're just waiting. You wouldn't buy it today. There will be no trade today. Looking for a sell now. So potentially later on today. Well, it's 3 o'clock. There's another an hour or two to go for London session. It might go down, or it might just get ready to go down tomorrow, even in the London session. So it's close to H4 resistance. I'm expecting it to go down now. if you go onto the Fibonacci tool, so the low of the day of the high the previous day, drag it to make it more accurate. So these are your levels, these are your levels for today. Would have been a good sell trade at 11 o'clock this morning. If you did enter it, stop loss just above. I hate this song, man. Cool, so what you're risking? You're risking 14 pips to win 51 pips. That's another trade you could have took today. You could still be in the trade. There could have been a potentially another re-entry, which I might go into right now. Yes, I will. So because I missed that earlier trade, I'll show you. I'm going to enter this trade live. So I'm interested in this candle here. It's made a lower high on a H1 time frame. If I go to M15, break it down further, stop loss would be just above this wick at 11 pips. My TP would be 32 pips H1 support region. So I'm going to go enter this trade right now. If I get my MetaTrader out. $39,505 $39,067. Enter the sell trade as so. We'll have to see how it plays out. I hope you enjoyed that quick session. Literally, I've just whizzed through. I should have done this in the morning. I haven't had time. I'm doing it now. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.